Here I have Vodafone Smart E8 and let me show you how to use secret codes on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here you need to open the phone's dialer and let's activate the keypad. Now you have to use the following secret code: asterisk pound 4636 pound asterisk. Now, as you can see, the Android testing menu just pops up. Here you can navigate by tapping appropriate options. You can choose here phone information. So here you can read such stuff as email number, phone number, current network signal strength. You can also run a ping test or, for example, use the following options. Let's go back. You can also choose here usage statistics and read the last time used or usage time. Let's go back one more time. Choose here Wi-Fi information. Here you can select Wi-Fi API, when you can disable network, disconnect network, enable network or get connection info. You can also choose Wi-Fi config. And here you've got configured networks. You can also read the full specification about them. Let's go back. Let's choose here Wi-Fi status. Here you can refresh or start or run a ping test. That's it. Let's use back key a couple of times. Now you can quit the Android testing menu and let's open here the Google Play service. So let's use asterisk pound 426 pound asterisk. The Google Play service just pops up. Here you can use ping, connect, disconnect or events. Use back key again. Now it's time to use the calendar info. So let's enter asterisk pound 225 pound asterisk. As you can see, the calendar info just pops up in front of you. You can also try to enter debug UI, so let's use this code asterisk pound 759 pound asterisk, and debug UI just pops up. Here you can change OEM mode, for example. Use back key, and at the end let me show you how to check email number on the following device. So let's use asterisk pound 06 pound and the email number just pops up. Alright, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.